am so excited, you guys, to share with you all about my amazing experience in Senegal. Dakar is the city that I ended up going to first. So we're out walking the city and everyone is bonjour, bonjour, ça va, comme ci, comme ça, je m'appelle Yvonne. And at this point, it's like, oh my God, everyone speaks French. So what do you do for fun? What do you do for fun?
Don't understand.
So it's like, dang it, everyone speaks French.
Welcome to Senegal.
Bienvenue Senegal.
Welcome to Senegal.
So if you decide to go to Senegal, it is kind of, I mean, people do speak English, but people speak French. Like, so you have to get with the program. So I ended up flying from JFK all the way to Dakar, Senegal, which is like a 13-hour flight, which cost me about $1,275 round trip. Now, if I had a direct flight, if you guys want to check out Senegal Air, you could probably get there in about 7 hours, but because of the transfer, I want to save a little bit of money. I ended up taking a transfer flight through Lume. All right, so by this time, we're done for the night because we got to get up 4:30 in the morning to head down to Fathula's reservation, safari reservation, to do our lion walk tour. So we ended up going to bed, getting up 3 o'clock, hop on the road 4:30 to head down to this reservation. I decided that in the year 2023 that I'm gonna live my life fearless. I'm not gonna let any fear get in my way from achieving any goal that I want to accomplish. So that is how I'm choosing to live my life. And I was like, this is the first step in me facing my fears, going to walk with a lion. And then we got to Fathula's safari reservation. So we got there, got checked in. It was 25,000 West African francs for each person to do the tour. So we got checked in and I put on my outfit. Listen, when I tell you my outfit was everything. To hear a lion roar, you guys, like that close, like we're like this close together, is an experience of a lifetime. Like my whole body shook. Like I could just feel it in my bones. And also it was also therapeutic to me too, because it kind of gave me like a burning desire to kind of like get up and like really do what I'm saying I'm gonna do. Like really take 2023 by the horns and like really go out and do everything that I set my mind and my heart to. But I felt like this was kind of like what I needed to get me jump started my 2023. Like I really needed this moment to really push me and push me out of my boundaries, to like push forward and to really achieve my goals. End up getting back to the car and we end up getting back to Airbnb and we chilled for a second. I was like, oh, we need a break, I'm tired. So we ended up taking a little break and then we ended up going to another local restaurant. Obviously everyone speaks French. And they have this drink called Baptiste, and I know I'm pronouncing it incorrectly, but I think it's Baptiste and it's orange. It's a purple drink. Y'all, that drink is so good. I mean, it was just so refreshing and just like healthy, and it seemed like filled with so much vitamin. It was just so good. So if you're Senegalese, please tell me, make sure you type in the notes below what that drink was, because I mean, it was absolutely great. The city was absolutely safe. I loved it. The people were nice, and again, everyone spoke French, but the day had to get started. So it's 8:30 in the morning time, and we are heading over to the Mosque of Divinity. We are in Dakar, Senegal. Currently, right now, we're at the Divinity Mosque, which is one of the most beautiful mosques located in Dakar, Senegal. It is very voluptuous. A lot of people come here to visit, to pray each and every day. It is a place of peace and hope for the Islam community. There's so many exciting things that you have to visit here in Dakar, Senegal. Also too, we did a lion walk, which was also a lot of fun. So whenever you are in Dakar, Senegal, make sure you check out these things. They are so important because it's been like so exciting to like experience French and like learn it here in the culture or whatever. But today we're at the mosque just filming and do some photo shoots and just learning about the culture and the richness and the history here. And taxi is the biggest form of service here. Bolt is not utilized here, but they do have Uber here that you can utilize. The cash is CIF, which is CFC, which you can exchange here as well. Also add that to your list to things to do. The airport process was very easy, especially through immigration. You just had to have a COVID-19 test or your vaccination card. My photographer did an amazing job. Oh, but he ended up charging me like 250,000 West African francs, which was not bad. I mean, I think for all the edits that I had asked for, he did a really good job, and he definitely like really got my vision of what I wanted. So after we ended up getting some really good shots of the mosque and me doing my photo shoot and drone shots of the mosque, we ended up heading over to the beach. The beach was like literally right beside the mosque. And the thing is called Okram Beach. And this is kind of like an iconic moment in Senegal because when you see a lot of photos, when you go to Google.com and you go to images, like you'll see the picture of these boats, these very like historically like colorful boats. The opportunity to take some photos with them, with the boats, and kind of like walk the beach, which was absolutely amazing. So if you need a beach to go to that is more private and laid back, this is the beach that you should go to. The tallest monument in Africa, which is called the Renaissance Monument. Y'all, we had to walk up these massive amount of stairs to get to it. Once we got to it, I mean, it was absolutely just sky high tall, like absolutely just incredibly tall. You can't miss it. And it's actually free to go up the steps, but to go inside to do the historical view of it, it costs roughly 6,000 West African shillings per person. So we went in, we got a little bit of the history of it. President Obama was actually in this monument inside, and Martin Luther King was inside. They had a photo of them together inside it, which was actually absolutely, heartwarming for me to just even see that. So after that was done, we did the history of the Renaissance Monument, which was 3 floors. We ended up taking the elevator up to the 15th floor to do the view of the city. So we kind of like went in and saw the crown of the city. From the crown of it, we kind of viewed this view of the city was absolutely amazing view. Once that was done, we decided to go back home just to kind of just change and get refreshed because we decided going to the beach. So we ended up going to this beach called Noir Beach, N-G-O-R, and I'm hoping I'm pronouncing that correctly, which was like roughly 10 minutes away from where we were staying. We ended up going to the beach to get over to the island. So at the beach, you gotta take a boat over. So the boat ended up costing us 6,000 West African francs, which we took over to the island. And once we got to the island, they were preparing for their night beach party, which was absolutely fun. But before the party started, we decided to get some seafood, which was absolutely great. I mean, amazing fresh seafood and rice. But y'all, everything come with mayonnaise. And I was like, why does everything come with mayonnaise? I don't want to eat my French fry with mayonnaise, but that's a part of their delicacy. It's part of the condiments that they give you when you order your food. But outside of that, we ended up walking up the entire hill of the Noir Island. We were able to see the Atlantic Ocean was absolutely beautiful. The wind was just so fresh and so nice. The people were so kind. But we ended up staying, hanging out, taking some photos, having a good time, and then we ended up enjoying the party. All right, guys, my Senegal Dakar experience has been absolutely amazing. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'm gonna definitely give it a solid 9 because I've had a great time so far. The food has been great. The people have been amazing. The experience has been one that I will not forget. Welcome to Senegal. It's like one of the highlights of my experience here, which I'm so happy about. So guys, make sure you like, share, subscribe, and click the bell, and make sure you check out Senegal when you have the opportunity. So after that, guys, basically, it was a quick trip. So after that, we decided to, we ended up having to go back to the airport. We got up early in the morning. I had a flight to leave at 6. My videographer left at 12. But it was overall like a great experience. We didn't get the opportunity to do the Pink Lake, but if you do go, please check out the Pink Lake. You have to go to the markets there, which are absolutely amazing. Get like local gifts and like spices and like experience the food, like the local street food. You have to do that as well. But overall, guys, it was an absolutely great experience. And so if you're interested in going to Senegal, please let me know. I am a travel agent. I am definitely willing to assist you because now I'm so well versed and I know so much about Dakar and the areas that we visited. But let me know. Let me know. Okay? All right, so guys, make sure you like, share, subscribe, click the bell. This is going to be an awesome year. We have exciting content across the board. Make sure you follow us on IG, TikTok, Facebook, and we are so excited to begin this new year. Again, I hope you all have an amazing 2023. Get out there, be fearless, conquer all of your fears, make this year a great year, and make sure you leave comments in the notes below.